Welcome to CompanyIQ, brought to you by MyLogic. Today, we'll be learning how to search for comment letters with CompanyIQ. Entering the SEC Comment Letters module will take you directly to the search screen. The search screen is divided into two sections, General Search and Refined General Search. Enter your search criteria and click on the Go button. Navigating between your search and results screen is enabled by the Screen Navigation tabs in the horizontal bar at the top of the screen. The results page will show you the companies that match or resemble your search criteria. You can sort companies by ascending or descending alphabetical order by clicking on the company name header. Once you select a company, the SEC comments and a company response will appear on the viewing window. You can view these comments and responses side by side or in a narrative format. To choose the format, simply move the cursor towards the header of the viewing window where it says View By and click the format you prefer. Narrative format will place SEC comments and company response one on top of other. For a company with more than one comment letter, you can organize the comment letters by comment letter date, response date, SEC release date, form type, period, number of comments, among other options. To sort each of these headers, simply click on the titles of the headers. To look for a specific date for any of the headers, click on the calendar icon and choose the date you wish to look for. Or you can type the date on the search box below each header. Thank you for watching another of MyLogic's tutorial. To view more, please select one of the following videos.